So today I got something epic on the menu today. Today I'll be making some stewed chicken, not brown stewed chicken, stewed chicken. I'll be frying my chicken, frying it dry, and then I'm gonna be cooking it down with my seasoning. So different thing, not brown stew, but stew chicken, fried dry and cooked down. And with that, I'll be making some flour cornmeal dumpling. I got my Bob Red's Hill cornmeal right here, and I got my gold medal flour right here. None of these guys sponsored today's video. I just use them because I love these guys. So I got my cornmeal right here, and I got my flour. So got my chicken right there, and I got my flour right here. But guess what? I think I'm missing something. For you, those of you guys know when I'm cooking dumpling, we don't cook regular dumpling around here. I got something is missing from the ingredients. I give you 2 seconds to guess what I'm gonna be mixing this flour with today. 1, 2. You don't guess as yet? Okay, I'm gonna show you the super secret ingredients. This is it right here, guys. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling. That's what on the menu today. No joke about it. You heard right. No fairy tale, no gimmicks. You're not hearing doubles. You hear correctly. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling. I'm not gonna be eating this mango just like this today. This mango gonna be mixing my flour dumpling. That's what's on the menu today, guys. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling with some stew down chicken. Yep, no joke about it. Spread the word, guys. You only find these epic breakfast experience on Mannix Robinson TV. Mango flour cornmeal dumpling with stew down chicken. Oh yes, my epic viewers, so I already put the coal in the pot, put my brambles in the middle, and now I'm just gonna strike the match and get this fire going. No wasting time today, guys. I came in from work this morning, and I am seriously hungry. So let's get the show on the road. Watch that fire blaze, guys, while I get everything sorted out and get the show on the road. So I got my cornmeal. Guys, you love my bowl? Nice bamboo bowl. I love it. So I'm gonna add my cornmeal right there. Add my flour. Yep. Salt. And then for the special ingredients, my mango, I already slice it up. Always slice it and scoop it out like this. Add it to my flour. Add this guy to the flour like that. And guys, if you're gonna ever try making it, I suggest you use a well-ripe mango. Yep. Here we go, guys. See how this guy turned out. Mango cornmeal dumpling. Yep. You heard right, my epic viewers. That's what's on the menu today. Mango cornmeal flour dumplings. Yep. Wow. You can literally smell the mango already. No joke about it, viewers. I'm gonna try not to add any water to it, just to use the juice from the mango to make the dumplings. Yep. Something new again, guys. Wow, I didn't know so much juice was in this mango, but I guess that's what happened when you use it. Well, you only can use the well-ripe mango to do this. Look at this here. Look at that. Can't see what I'm doing? Look at that. Yeah. The pot is bubbling already. Yep. Guys, mango cornmeal flour dumpling. I'm trying not to add any water to it. Just wanna use the juice from the mango to make it, guys. Yep. Look at that, my epic viewers. Look at that. Look at this right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right here. Look at that texture. Crazy. As I say, I don't want to use any water in it. Just the juice from the mango. And it seems as if we are going to accomplish that goal today. Guys, it is hot. No water, guys. No water. Look at that. Look at that. Man. Look at this, my epic viewers. Look at this. This is the mango cornmeal flour dumpling. Look at that. No water, my epic viewers. Look at that. Something new again, and Mannix Robinson TV. Original content and an original channel. Look at this, guys. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling. No water, just the juice from the well-ripe mango to make my dough. Look at that. Look at it. You see this, guys? Look at this. Look at that. 100% mango cornmeal dumpling. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You should try it out. Look at that. Look at that. No joke. Only on Mannix Robinson TV. Stay tuned, guys. The pot, I don't know if you can see the pot. The pot is bubbling. These guys, I'm gonna get them ready to put in the pot. It's hot and I'm sweating like crazy, but hey, you gotta eat. And I'm hungry and I can't wait to try this new mango cornmeal flour dumpling. Alright, stay tuned as I get them ready to put in the pot. So guys, as you can see, pot is bubbling. Look at that. Bubbling like crazy. And these guys, this mango cornmeal flour dumpling, guys, If you can only smell it, sweet, sweet. Getting them ready to put in the pot. Here we go. Look at that, my viewers. You can see the cornmeal in it. And you can see the strands or the fiber from the mango in this dumpling right here. Look at that. Beautiful, epic, original. Only on Mannix Robinson TV. There we go. Beautiful. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling. Guys, it is hot. This is hot like Nevada, like the Nevada desert. Yep. Look at it again, man. Look at that dumpling right here. Look at it. Look at it. You can see the fibers from the mango, and you also can see the cornmeal, the cornmeal, roughness of the cornmeal. Look at it. Beautiful. Mango cornmeal flour dumpling. Beautiful. Epic. Only on Mannix Robinson TV. Guys, if you can only smell them, they smell. There is this sweet, ripe, sugary aroma coming from the pot right now. Let me get my spoon, guys. Stir this pot. Yep. Yep. My epic viewers, let me make you take a look in the pot and see what's going on. Look at that right there. Look at that, my epic viewers. Look how that pot is bubbling with those mango cornmeal flour dumplings. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at that. That is it right there, my epic viewers. So my epic viewers, so dumplings in the pot. I think I have 2 corn out there that I pick up from the supermarket. I'm gonna bust them in 2, bust them in 4 pieces, put them in the pot, let it cook, and then I'm gonna get my chicken wash, clean, and get ready to season it up and get ready to put it on the fire, because dumpling don't take long to cook. Yeah, so stay tuned and see how we get this epic breakfast experience taken care of properly. Okay, so see you in a few, my epic viewers. Got my corn ready. Here they are right here. I'm just gonna break them up, break it up. Got 4 pieces right here. 4. Put them in the pot and let them cook. Yeah. That is it right there, guys. So chicken time. Alright. So see you in a few, my lovely viewers. Chicken right here. I got my lime. I got my fresh lime right here. Just gonna slice it up. my chicken. That is it, guys. So, squeeze my lime on this guy right here. I have it. Just you can see the effect that the lime had on it. You can see where it whiten it a little bit. There's no blood on it or anything. So now I'm just gonna get my seasoning ready to put on it, guys. Alright? I got some Maggi seasoned up right here. Pour some on it. Yep. Maggi didn't sponsor this video, guys. I'm just using it because I like it. Yep. Rub this guy in. Rub this guy in. Let this guy marinate. Yep. This guy marinate while I cut up the vegetable and the seasoning to go with it. Alright? So now, guys, I'm gonna get some seasoning that I'm gonna need from the garden. I'm not gonna need no callaloo today, but I'm gonna need some scallion. Definitely gonna need a piece of scallion. So you can see them shooting up through the callaloo. Some right here, some right here. Got some right here also, and some over there. So I see a nice piece over there. I'm gonna see if I can cut it. I don't know if you can see, guys. It is right here. There it is. Yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there, guys. Yeah. It is right here. I think I'm gonna need another piece also. So I'm just going and see, guys, it's right here. Look at that. Man, beautiful. Look at that. You gotta love it. Man, look at that. Wow. Yep. This is what I got so far. I got these guys, I got scallion, and some yellow ones now. Yep. They are right here. Look at it. Yep. Beautiful. Let's see if I see anything down there. Yep. Look at these guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Man, look at that. Yep. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at this right here. Look at these guys hiding right here. You can see them. Look at them. Look at them hiding, my lovely viewers. Look at that. Get over here. Yep. One more. Come here. Yep. Come on. Scallion. Nice and fresh. And I got my tomatoes also. Look at that. Beautiful. You gotta love it. Yep. Look at that. Fresh from the garden, guys. 100% organic. So that's what I'm going to be going with my chicken to get my epic breakfast done. Woo! Guys, I am literally sweating like crazy. So I'm sweating, that's how hard it is. But breakfast still going to get prepared. So see you in a few, guys. That's what happens when you're reaping what you grow, man. By the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Alright? So stay tuned. Look at this guy right here bubbling. Beautiful. You gotta love it. Yeah. pot is getting hot, I'm gonna get ready to put in the chicken and let it fry. It's right here, guys. You can see finish rubbing in my seasoning inside of it. Yep. So I'm just gonna pour in the oil. Pour in the oil. Where's the oil? Don't tell me I forget the oil. Oh snap. So what I'm gonna use to fry the chicken. Unbelievable, man. Remember growing up in Jamaica, you know, when my parents didn't have money to buy oil, you know what they did? They took the fat from the chicken and fried out to make oil. Yeah. Wow. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the fat, I'm gonna skin the fat off the chicken, fry it out, and that's what I'm gonna use to fry my chicken today. Wow, man, I tell you, and I was freaking out right now. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Can't believe I forgot the oil. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna skin the fat from the chicken. Here it is right here. Some people gonna say, oh, it's not healthy and yada yada yada. But that's what I'm using today, guys. Yup. Just gonna skin the fat from the chicken and fry the chicken. Pot is hot. Is it right there, guys? That's the fat from the chicken. There we go. Yep. Let me see if I have any more of my lovely viewers. That's what we're using for oil today. The fat from the chicken. Yep, no joke. There we go. Always something epic on Manix Robbins TV. Look at that. You're gonna see the amount of oil that we get out of those fat today, my lovely viewers. You ain't gonna believe the amount of oil that we get out of these guys. Yep, there we go. Let those guys burn. Fry them out. There we go. That's how we do it on Manix Robbins TV. We get it done. This is what giving me my oil right here. Yep. Yeah, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. That's how we usually do it when I was growing up, guys. We didn't got money to buy oil. That's what we do. We take the fat from the chicken and fry it out till we get the oil that we need. Yep. Viewers. Yep. Look at that chicken go, my epic viewers. Beautiful. Yeah. No oil, guys. Totally forgot about the oil. That I didn't have any oil. So I just use the fat from the chicken, burn it, and use the fat to define the chicken. Yep. Super. Yeah. Yeah. epic there. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You gotta love it, man. Look at that. Man. Look at my mango cornmeal flour dumpling. Look at that. Beautiful with my corn. Look at that. Epic. Loving it. Epic breakfast again, guys. Yeah? I can get my chicken brown properly, and then I'm gonna add my seasoning to it. All right. Breakfast is almost done. Hungry, guys, hungry. But it's hot and I'm gonna make some lemonade. So I got my jug right here. I got my sugar inside of it already. I got two limeade, not lemon. These are not lemon, these are lime. So I got my 2 lime right here. bowl of ice also. Put these guys. I don't have to roll. Sometimes people normally roll them, you know, to kind of soften it, to kind of burst the sacs that are inside of the lime to release the juice. I don't have to do it with these limes because these limes are super fruity. These guys, this I'm not gonna throw it away. I wash it thoroughly, so I'm just gonna put it in there also. Squeeze out the juice. Drop that down there. Just like that. Stir it around and put in my ice. Refreshing, guys. Hot. Refreshing. So you have to wait for the food, guys, because I'm thirsty. Aside and check on the food once more. Brain freeze, guys. Brain freeze. Check on the food one more time. See if it's ready. That's it. So, yep. Eat right here. mango cornmeal flour dumpling. You can definitely taste the mango in there. And also the fibers from the mango too. But it's super soft, and you can taste the mango. Definitely taste the mango inside of it. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. Nice. Guys, it came out beautiful, lovely. I thought I'd put 4 pieces of chicken in the plate. You mean to tell me that I ate 3 pieces already? Wow. Corn, super soft. It's hot, guys. Hot, hot. On the plate now. Boss. No? Empty. Breakfast was beautiful. It's hot, but was well worth it. My breakfast came out lovely. My mango cornmeal flour dumpling, super soft, super mangoey. You can taste you can taste the 100% mango in that dumpling. No joke about it. Perfect. Stewed chicken came out nice and soft, and the breakfast came out lovely. Still sweating, guys, cause it is super hot. And my limeade right here, beautiful, refreshing, super refreshing. But guys, I'm gonna take my leave right now, man. Hey, you should give this mango dumpling a try. Definitely give it a try. You will be so surprised of the taste and the texture. You will not believe that it's mango dumpling. And my limeade right here, refreshing. Right drink on a hot, warm summer day. My stewed chicken came out beautiful. Love it. Breakfast, put everything together. Breakfast was wonderful. Super, marvelous. Finger licking good. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up now. So, as I said before, thank you again, my super epic supporters, my subscribers, viewers. Thank you so much for checking out the channel, for watching, for sharing, for liking, and for leaving a comment. Really appreciate it. Keep on doing the good work, guys. And whatsoever time zone you're in, guys, just have a marvelous time. Okay? And remember, love every time. Manix Robinson. I'm out. Take care of yourself, guys. Love you all. Bye.